Hello, people. Today we are going to just go over. First of all, I must apologize from Ledger, my own team. Uh, in the last month and a couple of days here and there, we were in a developmental phase, but what we've come through is phenomenal. The application now works smoothly on every mobile phone, the web app I mean, and so does website. And of course, in computers, we've also streamlined the app, and we've also partially monetized it. So a part of it is free and a part of it is not. The part of it which it isn't free has heavier engines which require way more resource. But before all of that, just let's get a look at how the app looks on the phone. So I just googled it, and here's Alpha Ledger. You can save it on your saved apps. And this is the first page. You can you can check out all the other pages over here. The main app is over here, but it's also linked to all the buttons that are over here. So once you click on Access Ledger app, guess what happens? The app, given that it's embedded the web within the website, it generates all the data, all the information that's required, of the services, uh, all of the services that are required for you directly from the app. Now you can tilt this to make it look better, uh, because if you keep it in a vertical position, you only get to see this the app with things a little large. And yes, also made this change where you can choose your theme, and you can also print page that you're on. And from here you just go around. Since I'll explain each and every engine in detail later, but for now it's just like an overview. So you've seen the home page, and you've seen how a ledger base works, but these are the free parts of the app, and this is going to give you a considerable amount of idea as to where things are going now, where things are going, and how currencies are going to behave. Just look at the volatility, dear lord. And that's the India VIX here. Sorry. And you can just use your fingers to click and drag. Just past 5 days it has been just crazy. Anyway, that's the whole deal. Now the next thing to look at is that this app has crossed the pilot prototype stage. Yeah. And this needs mention. Number one, this app has been wholly made in India by an Indian, by Bengali, who's Indian first, for the Indian people, so that they can make efficient investments in the retail stock markets. Yes, we are currently bound to stocks, but the framework in which this has been built, the entirety of alphaledger.com and the Ledger app, it's really infinite. Pardon me. In the free version, you can see the ledger base, you can check out the investment lab, and make some great portfolios. Now, you cannot buy directly through Ledger because we want the user to have the independence to go to any stockbroker that he likes or any bank that he likes, and then make his trade. It's preferable that you do it the day before. However, you'll also find resources and terms of use nicely put over here. uh, Same with privacy policy and also a beautiful feedback form. Now if you fill this, I've just been tweaking around with this, I or one of my team members will get a direct mail in their mailbox. Yeah, and this is the community. This is the community, and this is the Ledger community, and these people have helped me grow with their advice and a little bit with their finances as well. But till date, Ledger is debt free and Ledger is awesome. If you want to donate and become a patron, it's gonna be dirt cheap, trust me. It's like $350 a month is nothing for any individual out there. For India to grow, innovation needs to grow. And for innovation to grow, we need to support other projects. For example, Ledger supports a couple of other projects as well. We start small, probably one day we'll go big, probably we'll just continue. And there's also another caveat to all of this. First of all, this is partly free. Which part is not free? Let us check out the analytics box and try to find out everything about an app. Oh no, you can't. That's blocked. And the same thing goes with the valuation models. The forecast engine works fine because I just kept it online for a demo. Let's just check out, say, ABB. Sorry. And you can this is in real time, so it's pretty fast. Along with the seasonality analysis, so on and so forth. So this is how the Ledger app looks and functions completely from your phone. You can download it by clicking these three little dots and then hitting the download button and then opening the file. And the best thing to do is just get a desktop version of it. At Ledger, finally, I must insist that it's our duty to remind you that we do not collect user data. All your transactions will be handled by Stripe, and they are liable for the user data. At the same time, we want to maintain 100% transparency, and we want the economy to grow, because with efficient small investments, they are like drops in the water, and these little drops, they turn into oceans. Look at Norway, look at Denmark. So there doesn't always have to be one clear winner. We can all win by being close or getting close to the optimal point. And you can access Ledger right over here or from any other pages. There's a lot of blogs around there, and it's just absolutely fantastic. I love it, and I use it myself, my family uses it. We have six very successful use cases, and would also want you to follow our lead. Just give it a try. It's 99 bucks for access for a day. Why for a day? Because we know that if we put you into the subscription trap, there's no human being on earth who's awake 24/7 checking on his app. He only wants to check his app when he wants to. So when you want to, just log on. And 99 rupees is as good as half a pack of cigarettes in India. You can pay in multiple currencies, around 13. I'll be including more and more. And last but not the least, second last, penultimate but not the least, is that please do support this project. This is a bespoke project which has been conceptualized, ideated. The idea did not just come off a tree, and the idea has been validated by uh, my university professors in France and in other parts of Europe, plus a great amount of design thinking. That is, conversing with the users has gone on while developing this app, and in a very but